There is no dearth of mysterious and ancient temples in our country. You will find many famous temples in every corner of the country. Many of these temples are also considered miraculous and mysterious by the people. In such a situation, today we will tell you about such a Shiva temple situated in the lap of the Himalayas, where the wonderful glory of Bholenath is visible. Hello friends, once again welcome to Hinduism Mystery. Wherever there is truth, there resides Shiva. There is all the disparity with Shiva. He is Okori, Ashutosh, Mahadeva among gods, Rudra, householder, great yogi, renunciate and ascetic, father, teacher, death, life, salvation, Veda of knowledge. He is the originator, the voice of music, the dance resides in him. He is the lover, the teacher of the sages, the protector of the gods, the helper of the asuras. Whatever is said about Shivji, it is less. In this case Lord Shankar's, there is a miraculous abode located in Solan, Himachal Pradesh, which is known as Jatoli Shiva temple. It is said about this mysterious temple that by tapping the stones here, the sound of a Damru is heard. Sphatik, i.e. transparent inside the temple. Shivling is seated. The idols of Mother Parvati and all the deities are installed in the premises of this huge temple of Lord Shiva. Devotees believe that Lord Bholenath had stayed here for some time in mythological times. Built in South Dravidian style, the height of this temple is about 111 feet. This miraculous Shiva temple is also considered to be the highest Shiva temple in Asia. A huge 11 feet high gold urn is installed at the upper end of the temple, which makes it very special. The building of the temple is a unique example of construction art, which is made on site. There is great recognition of the devotees here. Devotees from not only India but also from abroad come here to have darshan of Baba Bholenath. But the most important thing here is to hear the sound of a Damru on tapping the stones. Friends, the thing to think about is how this miracle happens. Is there any science behind it? Or is there some divine power? Only Baba Bholenath knows this. Because he is the beginning and he is the end. Friends, for today, we just hope that you will agree with the information given by us. Stay tuned for more information about such interesting facts. Thanks to Hinduism Mystery. Jai Shri Ram.